Alright, today is one of those build days where there's no calls, no distractions, just me, the core, and some solid ambience. Let's get started. So, here's what's on my list for No Show today. We're starting with the essentials, setting up OAuth, login flows, and basic auth handling. After that, we'll shift gears into the AI side of things, which, yeah, that's gonna need more brain power. Later, if time allows, we'll do UI. Okay, so I enabled OAuth, and for the email sign up, I had to do email verification and reset password, so both of them would work as verification links. Not very difficult, done and dusted in no time. The real feature is AI though, so I gotta work on that now. Alright, so with authentication done, it's time for the real thing, the AI part of Notion. But for that, I need a change of vibe. When things start to get complex, a new space always helps. So I'm heading out to this cafe I like. I just got my laptop in hand, and it's time to build the brains of the app. The real work starts now. Alright, settled in. The AI I'm working on today will read uploaded notes, PDFs, images, even handwritten stuff. Once uploaded, it's processed, sorted into classrooms using metadata plus embeds. Basically, it syncs into a study space with full context tracking. So yeah, this part's deep, but that's what No-Show really is about. So, let me enlighten you a little bit about the tech. In short, I promise. I'm using a mix of OCR and embeds here. It's okay if you don't get that. The plan is simple. Extract text using a lightweight OCR model. In my case, it's Google ML Kit. Then vectorize that data using an embeds API. From there, I'm just tagging and clustering it into study segments. The metadata is stored into Firestore database. I know, it's all a roller coaster. But eventually, this will power a real-time AI assistant that understands what a student is working on. And also, it helps them study smarter. So yeah, this is some revolutionary tech. At least, I hope it turns out to be. I was relaxed. Errors popping up, fixing them on the go. All part of the vibe. The space was chill, people moving around with coffees in hand. Not me though, no coffee. Didn't need it that day. Guess I was running on pure patriotism. So at the end, I got a solid chunk of the AI done. Of course, it still needs polishing, but we are on the right path. Now, what's left on the list? Yeah, the Notes UI. But I think I'm gonna pause here. I've got a couple of UI friends who I'm bringing in for feedback before I lock down the interface and get the UI finalized. Good design isn't just pretty, it has to feel right, and it's really important. So yeah, No-Show is starting to feel real. From a simple idea to actual features coming to life. It's been a ride. If you're building something too, or wanna collab on design, dev, or AI, let's connect. Follow me on Instagram and X. I'm sharing more behind the scenes tips and progress updates over there. And with that, I think it's time. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. Jai Hind.